You don't want to tilt it too much. That water will evaporate quickly, and I hear them pinging already. I didn't put any vinegar in the water. This strawberry jam, y'all. Strawberry jam. 6 pounds of strawberry, 2 Granny Smith apples, 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. And it's all worth it. That's what my grandma Aquilla used to do, y'all. That's what she used to do. That's what she used to do. All right. And I got one more thing I just want to show y'all. One more thing. And I want to get one out the refrigerator and show you how it looks once it get in the refrigerator and it get gelled. This is how it looks. You keep it in the refrigerator just like this. So I'm going to take this off. And this is how it looks after it's got cold and gel, just like strawberry jam. And it tastes oh so good. Oh so good. Just get a spoonful and just eat it. But anyway. Hi everybody and welcome back. This is the Lily of the Valley Community Garden. And guess what we're going to be doing today? We are going to be water bathing. That's right. Water bathing, water bathing, however you want to say it. But we're going to be water bathing, and we're going to be water bathing some strawberry jam. Not jelly, but jam. So I'm so excited to do this here recipe here. And this the most challenging part of it is squishing the strawberries. So let me show you right quick what we got going on. I want to show you right quick. This how you have to mash. You can use a potato masher or you can use your immersion blender. I choose to use the potato masher because I've seen I did a lot of research, a lot of YouTubing, and I've seen some people use the immersion blender. I don't like that because they make it like puree, and I don't want pureed. I want my strawberries to look just like this here, where you still got some strawberries. I don't want it pureed. I don't want the baby food. So the easiest way to do it, I put a little bit at a time in my bowl here. My bowl. Get like a good sturdy bowl, sort of like this here, not a plastic bowl, but you need a good sturdy bowl. And see how you just mash them down. And to be truthful with y'all, I did do this recipe already. I did it already, and I just wanted to do it because I've been craving for some strawberry jam. I've really been craving for some strawberry jam, and so yeah. So you got a lot of mashing to do. Now, this is 6 pounds of strawberries. I bought 6 pounds of strawberries. And you know, when you take your strawberry out of the container, make sure you wash them really, really well. Make sure you wash your strawberries really good, okay? And then after you wash them, so that was the smashing part, just smashing part. But when you get your strawberries, I cut the top off and I just slice them in quarters like this here. So you just want to slice them like that. Now if I get a real big one, then I slice it, I'll go like this here because this is pretty big. But that's what you want to do. You wash them, you want to cut the tip off, then you want to cut them, quarter them, and then you start smashing, and that's going to be about a 45-minute process. Well, as you can see, I got all the strawberries done, and I got 2 Granny Smith apples. And the reason why I'm using the 2 Granny Smith apples because I'm not using any of the plantain, because Granny Smith apples will make plantain. It has a lot of plantain to thicken this up. So you don't need to buy the plantain because this really does work. So I don't have a apple core, so make sure you take the core of the apple out. And I saw this, and this works really good. So you're just going to shave your apple like this here. This is a good trick here. So this is how you do your apple. And when you want to go ahead and have all your jars, just letting you know, go ahead and have all your jars in your water bath canner. And so I've got all my jars, and you put your jars underwater with 1 to 2 inches above the jar. I got mine 2 inches above the jar. So you want to keep that, because you want to keep everything hot as possible. Have your lids on and everything, because this is a hot process. Okay, I got the strawberries on. I'm going to add the 2 apples I did. Add your apples. I'm going to add stir that in. Stir that in. Now I'm going to add, you can do 6 cups of sugar, but I'm doing 5 cups. I'm adding 5 cups of sugar. Just pour it in there. Let's get that a good stir. Five cups of sugar. Give it a good stir. Yeah. And we want to get this to come up to a boil. So I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. I've already got my lemon juice measured out. 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. 4 tablespoons. Don't use fresh lemon, because at least at the bottled lemon, the acidity is controlled more in the bottled lemon juice. So don't use fresh lemon. Use the bottled lemon juice, because the acidity acid is controlled better. Already been measured out and everything like that. So now we just want to turn my stove up a little bit. So we want to get this to come to a boil. And when it comes to a rolling boil, you just stir for 25 minutes. So when this comes to a boil, I'm going to get back with you all, but right now we're just going to keep stirring. And when you get your sugar and your lemon juice in, put like about a tablespoon of butter. This will help cut down on the foaming, because this will foam. But if you put like a tablespoon of butter, that would definitely help cut down on that foaming process. So it really does work. But just keep stirring. I'm just stirring every now and then. Make sure you stir now and then, because you don't want this to stick, because this will stick on the bottom. So make sure you stir every now and then. All right, but put your butter. That'll help on the foam. Okay, as you can see, it's at a rolling boil. And a rolling boil means that even though you're stirring, it's keep boiling. So that's a rolling boil. And that's what we want. So I'm going to set my timer. We have to do this. You have to stir this here for 25 minutes. I'm going to set my timer for 25 minutes. You got to stir, constant stir for 25 minutes. Okay, as you can still see, I'm still stirring. But now my timer went off 25 minutes. I stirred for 25 minutes. I'm going to turn this eye off. Turn the eye off, start the timer. Now you want this to sit for 5 minutes. So I'm going to set my timer again for 5 minutes. So we want to sit for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, we'll come back jarring it up. But this is how it looks. It's getting thick. You see where I started? Started up there, I'm down here. It's thickening up. And we're going to start jarring it up. And it may smell like it's burning, but as long as you keep stirring it, it's not burning. So just keep stirring it. It may smell like the strawberries are burning, but they're not burning. Just keep stirring it, because it's just getting thick and it's getting rich, and the color has definitely deepened to a burgundy like red, but it's beautiful, y'all. So 5 minutes, we're going to wait 5 minutes, then we're going to jar it up. Okay, here's the fun part. So I'm going to lift my lid up. And this is a stock pot, but you also can use this as a water bath. pot. So it's a big stock pot. Now I have my 2 inches of water above space already. I don't want this boil, I'm turning it down a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is you take out your hot jar, be very careful. I'm coming by you, honey. I'm not gonna pour the water back in the container because I already got my 2 inches of water. But you keep these jars hot as possible. Gonna sit it here. I'm gonna do like 2 at a time. Okay, so now I got that out. You get your ladle and your funnel. Give this another good stir. And you start, you leave a 1/4-inch headspace. And I already measured mine out. This is a 1/4-inch headspace where I need to be right here. So. Perfect. Mm-hmm. 1/4-inch headspace. A little bit, teeny more. Okay. Now you want to debubble, even though it's full of liquid, but you still want to debubble. Debubble. And you want to get that vinegar. Get that vinegar and you want to wipe the top of that rim of that jar. These jars are nice and warm. Wipe here. Okay, and then you want to get your lid. These are regular mouth, 1/2 pint, 8-ounce jars, regular mouth. I do have some over there that's wide mouth, but they're the short, fat ones. I didn't want that one. I got those because they were on sale. So now, but this is the size I like right here. Now you want to get your thing and you just want to fingertip tight. Don't bear down on it, just fingertip tight. And once you get it fingertip tight, there we go, fingertip tight. Then you want to get that jar, because you want to keep them, and put them back in the container. Put them back over here. Let's see that. Make sure that's on right. No, I don't want to touch it. Make sure. There we go. There we go. Fingertip tight. And we want to put it back over here. So that's how you want to do it. You want to do like a couple of jars at a time. Take a couple of jars out at a time and put them back in the water. And just keep the process going. So that's how you want to do it. That's how you want to do it. So I'm going to finish these up. Okay, well, I got 10 jars in my stock pot here. Just want to adjust this just a little. Okay, I got 10 jars. Hold on. I just got to move this a little like this because this is. So I can get 10 in my stock pot. And I'm getting ready to put the lid on and we're going to let this boil for 15 minutes. So check your elevation. Check your elevation. So this is going to boil for 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, I'll get back with you because it's going to set 5 minutes after it gets through boiling. So put the lid on, turn it on high. It's going to boil for 15 minutes. Okay, y'all, the 15 minutes are just about up. And I got 30 seconds left. So what I'm going to do, after the timer goes off, I'm going to cut the stove off for 5 minutes. And we're going to let it rest for 5 minutes. Leave the lid on. Don't take it off the eye. Just let it rest for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, then we're going to come back and take the lid off. And we're going to take them out the pot. And we're going to see what we got. So we got a couple of more seconds. Timer is going to go off right about now. Well, the 5 minutes up. Actually, I let it went 6 minutes. It's up. Turn the lid away from you just as you would with your pressure cooker. Still boiling a little, so you want to start taking these out. And sit it right here. So there'll still be a little water on top of them, but that's okay. You don't want to tilt it too much. That water will evaporate quickly, and I hear them pinging already. I didn't put any vinegar in the water because the jars don't turn white like it is in the pressure cooker, but they's pinging. Alrighty. Guess you could put vinegar if you want to, but I didn't see anybody else putting vinegar, so. Anyway, I came up with 10 jars. 10 beautiful jars. Yep. This strawberry jam, y'all. Strawberry jam. 6 pounds of strawberry, 2 Granny Smith apples, 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. And it's all worth it. That's what my grandma Aquilla used to do, y'all. That's what she used to do. That's what she used to do. All right. And I got one more thing I just want to show y'all. One more thing. I had no siphoning. My water is clear. I just want to show you. This is the ones I did on Friday. I think I did this Friday. This is the leftover from today. I'm just going to put it in the refrigerator. This is the leftover from today. And I want to get one out the refrigerator and show you how it looks once it get in the refrigerator and it get gelled. This is how it looks. You keep it in the refrigerator just like this. So I'm going to take this off. And this is how it looks after it's got cold and gel, just like strawberry jam. And it tastes oh so good. Oh so good. Just get a spoonful and just eat it. But anyway, I thank you all for coming along on this journey. We did it, y'all. Strawberry jam, water bath, strawberry jam. So it's going to be more jams to come. So of course it's going to be blueberry season. So we're going to do the blueberry, pineapple. We're going to do all kinds of jams. But anyway, I thank you for joining us today here at Lily of the Valley Community Garden. And always, y'all make sure y'all hit that like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.